In this video, we are going to show you how to reset your engine oil life monitor on this Nissan Maxima. Let's get into it. To reset the engine oil life monitor, the first thing we need to do is put the ignition in the on position without the vehicle running. I'm going to press the start button twice. Continuing on, we're focusing in the very center of the dash here, right in the gauge cluster. We can see this center screen. There's two buttons that we need to use so we can make our way throughout the menu screen. That's right along the driver's side of that gauge cluster. We'll start by pressing on the one all the way to the left here. As we start making our way through this menu, we're looking for the maintenance. Let's start making our way through that screen. This time I'm using my right side button. Goes right over to maintenance. Now, since I want to get into that, I'm going to use the left button here. Our next screen has back, tire, oil, filter, and other. Since we've replaced the engine oil and the filter, that's where we're headed. Once I'm on the engine oil, I'm going to press the left side button. We'll make our way to reset. First, I have to create my setting. I like to go 5,000 miles on my synthetic oil change. Now we're going to make our way back to that reset. We'll hold down on the left side button. That should be reset. Now I'm going to go back into that maintenance again, and we're going to reset for the engine oil filter. Once again, we need to set it up for 5,000 miles. This will typically already be set. Okay. Back down to our reset. Now, to reset this, you just want to hold down on the right side button. Once it is reset, it should say 0 with the 5,000 miles that you want to go here. If it was not reset, it would typically tell you where the 0 is, how many miles you've already gone since the last reset. So now we've gone 0 miles since our reset. We can exit this screen. Turn off key power. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.